Ever wondered why some people seem to have an inexplicably shiny, healthy mane, while others struggle with common hair problems like dryness, thinning, and breakage? Well, the secret might just be in a plant called Moringa. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is loaded with nutrients that can do wonders for your hair. It's a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, all of which can contribute to healthier, stronger hair. Firstly, Moringa is rich in vitamin A, which is essential for hair growth. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to hair loss, and Moringa's high content of this vitamin can help counter that. Secondly, Moringa is packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your hair and scalp from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can cause hair loss and premature graying, so incorporating Moringa into your hair care routine can help maintain your hair's natural color and vitality. Thirdly, Moringa is full of proteins, which are the building blocks of hair. Proteins help in strengthening hair strands and preventing breakage. Fourthly, Moringa contains zinc, which plays a crucial role in promoting hair growth and repairing damaged hair. Moringa has a high content of iron, which helps in the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. So, Moringa, this incredible nutrient-dense plant can help in hair growth, maintaining the natural color of your hair, strengthening your hair strands, and promoting overall hair health. It's a natural, potent solution to many common hair problems. Incorporating Moringa into your hair care routine can be as simple as using hair care products that contain Moringa, or even using Moringa oil directly on your hair and scalp. Remember, every strand of hair tells a story. Make yours a tale of strength, vitality, and health with the help of Moringa. It's time to give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself.